Big Mike. Hey, my name's Leanne Tui. My kids go to Wingate. You said you were going to the gym? School gym's closed. Why were you going to the gym? Big Mike, why were you going to the gym?
Because it's warm.
Do you have any place to stay tonight? Don't you dare lie to me.
That's Sandra Bullock in her Academy Award-winning performance, the Warner Brothers movie, The Blind Side. If she wasn't already America's sweetheart, she definitely is after that role. So it has to be a shock to so many in Hollywood. Everyone's heart's going out to her to hear that her marriage is reportedly on the rocks. There are published reports alleging her husband, Jesse James, had an affair. People.com says she moved out of the house and she just canceled an appearance in London for a premiere there of The Blind Side. You know, you take a look at some of these shots, they look like to be such a happy couple. This is them at the Golden Globes. And just last weekend, or about a week and a half ago at the Oscars, her crowning moment, she praises him. He tears up during the acceptance speech. And then we get this statement from Jesse James, issued to People magazine. He says, "It's because of my poor judgment that I deserve everything bad that is coming my way. This has caused my wife and kids pain and embarrassment beyond comprehension, and I am extremely saddened to have brought this onto them. I am truly very sorry for the grief I've caused them, and I hope one day they can find it in their hearts to forgive me." What a turn here as we go through this. Joining me to talk about this, Stephen A. Mindel, celebrity divorce lawyer. Also with us, Kim Seraphin, senior editor, In Touch Weekly. Wow, Kim. Okay, what are the allegations here? And we see you guys, it looks like you guys have been all over this story.
That's right. Well, In Touch spoke to Michelle Bombshell McGee. She's a tattoo model, and she's the one who came forward to say that she had this affair, this relationship with Jesse. She told In Touch that she had sent a message to Jesse, wanted to be a friend of his. She was looking for a modeling job for West Coast Choppers. She said they then started a relationship. He sent his personal email, and it developed into an 11th-month relationship with 5 weeks of it, a very intimate relationship, and that's in this issue of In Touch.
Okay, so right out of the gate, they're hot and heavy? I mean,
that's what she tells In Touch. Yeah, she says that it became a relationship. She said she didn't realize that he was still married. She said she got the impression from him that he was separated.
Okay. Again, HLN, we have not been able to independently confirm some of these reports, but we have In Touch said they've talked to the lady here in question. Michelle the Bombshell McGee is her name. What's her deal, Kim? What do we know about her?
She's a tattoo model. She did tell In Touch she's obviously a little bit more edgy than Sandra. She likes motorcycles, and she told In Touch she thought maybe she and Jesse had more in common than he had with Sandra. Because obviously Sandra is the girl next door. You said that. I mean, she's this person that we've loved since we saw her in Speed and Miss Congeniality, and then so many people really fell in love with her. She did such a great job in The Blind Side. Obviously, we watched her throughout award season. So many people cheering her on, making this transition to this great Academy Award-winning role, and I think that's why this just makes it such a sad, sad story.
Yeah, Stephen, you've worked with celebrities, and again, this has not been confirmed. We haven't heard from Sandra Bullock yet. But what is she going through right now? What's the likelihood after something like this they can hold it together?
Well, that's going to be the question. The question is going to be, can she hold it together? Does she want to hold it together? This is obviously a very dramatic and traumatic situation for her. And, you know, she's got to get a hold of herself and figure out if this is a marriage worth saving.
Okay. Has there been any word yet, Kim, on Sandra Bullock from her camp?
No, I mean, I think as you mentioned, we know that she did pull out of that premiere in London next week that she was supposed to go to, and then there are some reports saying that she had moved out of the house, and then, of course, most recently, just a couple of hours ago, the statement from Jesse where he's apologizing for causing pain and embarrassment. He doesn't get into specifics, obviously, but does say what you had read earlier.
Why is she coming forward, the alleged mistress here? What's her motive?
You know, look, In Touch did a lot of great reporting. She came forward. Again, she said she didn't realize that Jesse was still married. She thought he was separated. It wasn't until they met at a tattoo convention at the Queen Mary, they ran into some mutual friends, and that's when she realized that he was still in this relationship.
Do you have proof? Photos, text messages, emails, anything, Kim?
There are text messages that she has provided to In Touch, text messages that from Jesse, she says, that are as recent as March 14th, where he says he was thinking about her.
Okay. Stephen, what about the text messages here? Is that enough to prove infidelity? I mean, if things go really bad and Sandra Bullock, Jesse James get a divorce, is that coming in here?
That's not going to come in. The issue of infidelity or fidelity is definitely not going to come in the family law case. I think the key issue is just going to be for Sandra trying to get everything together with regard to making sure her property goes to her, stays to her, and support issues go the direction she wants. So text messages are going to be irrelevant.
What about his three children? A reason he has custody, one of the main reasons we understand, is Sandra Bullock's influence, helping provide a stable home. If they split up, what happens to the kids?
I got to tell you, that's going to be a big problem for him in his own custody case. You know, obviously, Sandra, who was his best witness, suddenly becomes his biggest adversary.
Okay, guys, thanks so much. It's sad to hear these allegations when you think of Sandra Bullock, again, America's sweetheart, on top of the world after winning an Academy Award for her role in The Blind Side. Now we're talking about this. Stephen, Kim, guys, thanks so much. And we have a programming note for you here. You talk about scandals. Jocelyn James, one of Tiger Woods' alleged mistresses,